Hello and welcome to the latest video of Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you change your age in Bumble. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your browser and search Bumble. At first, you have to open any of your browser and search Bumble in there and click to this first option that pops up after searching. It will lead you directly to the home page of Bumble and you just simply have to sign in with your account. Step 2. Navigate through contact and facts. After signing to your account, you have to go to your profile and choose the contact and facts option. After that, you just simply have to select this first option that says facts and it will lead you to this new tab. You just simply have to search age issue in the search bar given here. Then select this second option. After selecting this second option, you just simply have to click into this yellow here button. Then it will lead you to this contact Bumble tab. Step 3. Fill the details and submit. Now, you just have to tick report a technical issue in here and enter your full name in the box given below and the email in second box. After entering your name and email, now you have to select which Bumble mode you're using and also the platform that you're using. And in step 2, you have to choose setting option. And finally for the step 3, you have to enter the issue you're having in the box given here and attach a screenshot of the problem. After ticking and answering all the questions, you simply have to click to the send messages button. After sending this message, help desk of Bumble will review it and send you an email. This is all you have to do to change your age in Bumble. So make sure to like this video if this video helped you and subscribe for more exciting future contents.